have your towel? Aiden. Aiden, can Grandma have your towel, please? Hey, can I have this? Can I take that? Thank you. Can I have it? What are you trying to do? You can't ride it under the table. Now you're going to run over your towel. Want me to fix it? Of course, Grandma will fix it. And 2 seconds later, you'll pull it off. Just like well, it's a little difficult today. Usually it gets it off within seconds. Yep, there we go. Aiden. Hey. Hey, drill boy. Where's your daddy? Where's Daddy? See if I can get what he's actually doing over here. Uh-oh, you're going to run into the snowman. Snowman's in your chair. Yay! Silly boy. Clap your hands. Yay, Aiden. You can't go backwards, buddy. There's a chair there. Where's your chair? Where's your chair? Where's your chair? Where is it? See, Snowman's in your chair. Behind you. Hiccups. What are you doing? You can't go further back, buddy. There's a chair there. You're being silly. You can see your bruise on your head and your bruise on your cheek. You didn't get those at this grandma's, though. All right. Enough for this one.